The 3D UV label printer features a cold-rolled steel body, ensuring stable operation, high durability, and resistance to deformation. It is equipped with several practical features. An acrylic baffle prevents ink splashes and dust, allowing for visual display of the printer's working status. Automatic white ink stirring prevents printhead clogging from ink sediment. A trolley anti-collision design prevents accidental damage to the printer. An inkflow alarm monitors the printer's ink level and reduces downtime. A imported silent guide rail ensures excellent precision and smooth, stable printing. An LED light allows for rapid curing of designs. An ink stacker provides moisture and protects the printhead. A dual-motor winding system ensures consistent and smoother winding. And a spirit level allows for constant checking of the print platform's parallelism to prevent damage from poor balance. Excellent printing configuration and efficiency. Equipped with 4 I30-00 printheads, the machine boasts a maximum print width of 700 mm, ink stackable thickness 1 mm. Used with TPU printable film and UV ink, it achieves a strong 3D effect, vibrant colors, and high glossy. A cutter ensures precise pattern cutting. And the finished product is washable 40 times after heat pressing, demonstrating exceptional durability. Compared to traditional silicone processes, it saves time and costs, improving production efficiency.